Alright everyone, we are back at Watermaster and in Tooele. Go to the car wash on the right. Sorry, not Tooele, I meant in Grantsville. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed a difference, but I am recording on a brand new camera. My old one actually broke and was pretty much beyond repair.
Yep, unrepairable.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out, I'm going to walk through it, and then today we're just going to do an inside view to test out the camera. So I will see you guys in just a second. Okay, here is the prohibited items. There's the sign right there. Here's your wash options. They have a touch-free, which is this one. I've been through both, but I've only done outside views of either, so this time I'm going to do an inside view of the soft touch. So we're going to walk through it. There's the undercarriage wash. Right there is the control panel. And here's the track. Here's the machine. The sign brushes. Here's the top. There's the onboard contouring dryer and wheel scrubbers. And there's not really anything else beyond it other than the door control panel. So now, let's go through it.
There was a bee out there, so I closed the window before she told me if it was authorized.
Alright.
I'm only assuming the lights will turn on when it's ready.
And there we go.
There we go.
Here comes the undercarriage wash. It's nice and gentle.
Yeah, I like it.
Compared to some of the other washes that I've been to, like that just absolutely act like they're gonna destroy the undercarriage.
That's always fun. Yeah. It's like they're gonna cut through to your feet.
Yeah.
Oh, good. It was nice and quiet when it said stop too.
No crazy buzzer.
Yeah. I'm a fan.
Pressure seems a little weak for a high pressure rinse.
Well, this is the first rinse. Maybe it's not high pressure the first time.
Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I'm not sure. Oh, this is trifoam.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's nice. It's watery, but if it wasn't watery, it would have been a great coating.
Yeah, it is good.
Still a good coating whether or not it's watery. Oh, apparently this is the Rain X. Interesting.
Yeah.
What does that say? It says rinse.
Yes.
And now we get our brushes. I think we're getting our front crossover. If you look closely, you can see him moving back and forth.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is, it's doing the wheel scrubber.
Oh, I wondered what that was. I felt the car get hit by
Yeah, it was the wheel scrubber. Now it's doing the rear wheels.
Nice.
that is how it waters the top brush. See those little bars on the side? There's water squirting. Oh, there is water squirting out of it.
That's
or there
pretty
was.
Cool. Yeah, I saw it.
Just an FYI, when you hear the dryers turn on, it has onboard dryers. I think this is some kind of rinse. I'm not sure. Maybe like a drying agent? There's the E-chain up there. The boom. Oh, sorry, the contouring dryer thing. Said that it's a foam bath. I guess the lights are wired wrong. Oh, here it is. Go Cowboys!
Yeah. You mean the onboard dryers are starting?
Yes. That's what I meant.
Yeah.
Does it have a light for the... I don't think it has a light for the dryers.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
It has a light for everything else, but not the dryers. That's strange.
Well, maybe they figure people can tell that the dryer's right there because it's in their face.
Fair enough. Pretty self-explanatory, so yeah, I guess that would be the case. But either way, it is doing a very nice job drying.
It really is. They did a good job with their
maintenance.
Oh, I'm saying that the water, the drying agent. That's it. Thank you. That's what I was trying to think of.
I think the Rain-X doubles as a weather guard and a
Drying agent.
yes.
Okay.
It's kind of like a two-in-one product. I'm no expert though, so take what I say with a grain of salt. But that's what I think it is. First pass it got a lot, but second pass is like perfect.
Yeah. Spotless.
Uh-huh. Look at that all gone.
Wow. You know, most of the time onboard dryers are kind of a joke, but this is a good one.
Yeah. Especially Ryko dryers. I mean, those things, well, I mean, occasionally they do pretty good, but most of the time they're just, no. For $12, that's not bad.
Not bad at all.
Especially for how old this system is, that's a very decent job.
Yeah.
There we go. So, what did you think of it?
I'd say 8 out of 10. I mean, maybe even 9 out of 10. Especially for the age. I don't really have any complaints.
Yeah, me neither.
And it wasn't rough on the car, and it didn't move the mirrors, and I don't feel like it...
That's a big plus.
Yes. I think it did a good job.
Yeah, so that is Watermaster Car Wash. I say, yes, in Grantsville, I say 9 out of 10. Definitely a good deal. We'll come do an inside view of their touch-free some other time.
Thank you.
So yeah, that is Watermaster in Grantsville. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.